Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Nova 10 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the safe mode on this device. First we need to turn off our phone. To turn it off, simply press and hold the power button, keep holding it.
Hi, I'm Celia, your smart assistant.
And once the power menu appears on the screen, tap on the power off option and tap on it again to turn off the phone. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together and keep holding them until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. Once the logo appears on the screen, release only the power button and keep holding the volume up button for a couple more seconds. So let's press and hold the power and volume up, keep holding them. Once the HUAWEI logo appears on the screen, release the power and keep holding the volume up. And after a couple of seconds your phone should vibrate. Then you can release the volume up button and wait until the phone enters the recovery menu. And here we have the recovery menu. You can move through this menu by using the physical buttons like volume up and volume down, any power button to select, or you can use the touch screen. Now select the option called Save Mode, and if you select it, your phone will reboot and it will reboot into a save mode. So let's wait. As you can see, we booted into a save mode. It says it right here. And what the save mode does is basically it turns off every third-party application on your phone. It's basically disabled until you reboot into normal system. And this will allow you to, for example, troubleshoot the system. So if you're not sure if some third-party application is causing problems on your phone, you can enter the save mode and check if it's the case. And to exit the save mode, you simply need to press and hold the power button.
Hi, I'm Celia, your smart assistant.
Wait for the power menu, tap on the restart option and tap on it again to reboot the phone. As you can see, we are back into a system and we are in the normal mode because you don't see the save mode message right here at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's how you enter the save mode on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.